So, in 3, 2, 1, action! Hi mga ka-artista! Welcome back to my channel. This is Garcia, ang inyong artistang paskat palang sige, so for this video, I'm so happy to share this with you because the long wait is over. Silver button is here na sa atin. So, sobrang thank you. One of the happiest birthday, one of the happiest unboxing. And of course, I couldn't make it without you all, to all the ka-artistas out there, certified ka-artistas, the supportive and generous friends out there, the boss, the mamshivals, the lodikoy, the sisabals, and of course, to all the supportive and silent supporters over there. Thank you for the love and support, mga ka-artista, for the endless love, for the hearty natures. Without you all, I couldn't make it. So let's start unboxing this na dahil I'm so excited na. Super excited. Today is June 21. 2 days, one more day to go, and it's my birthday, and I am so thankful. Thank you once again, and thank you, Lord Jesus, because I couldn't make it without your guidance and your help and your support. And I am so thankful to all the artists out there. So thank you once again, everyone. Ano namang feeling makareceive ng silver button? So yun, actually hindi pa rin talaga siya nagsisink in kasi nga hindi ko pa siya nahahawakan, hindi ko pa siya na-unboxing, diba? Pero sobrang thankful kasi dati-rati pinagdarasal mo lang siya. Nagdarasal ako na sana may mag-viral na video ko. Hindi man ngayon, pero malay mo bukas. Wag lang talaga natin madaliin. Saka in God's time, in God's will, mangyayari at mangyayari talaga siya. Magdasal lang tayo at syempre wag lang natin, syempre i-wish. Syempre samahan natin ng kilos, ng, alam mo yun, ng effort. Dahil pag pinagsama mo yung dasal at effort, at yung sipag at tiyaga mo, mararating mo talaga yan. So yun. During pandemic that happened last 2020, many people lost their jobs and I was one of them. But life goes on and I started to do some things that I haven't done in my life, and one of these was vlogging. My cousin and my sister told me to blog about the plans that I had, while my friends told me to do some skincare vlog, and the rest was the history. The first video that I uploaded in my YouTube channel was about my favorite plants, and as I remembered, I had 11 subscribers during that time. That was last October 28, 2020. And then, last January 2021, I started to visit and join livestream where you could connect and gain new friends with the help of my best friend, Lintan. Most of the live streamers advised me to do livestream as well for me to be monetized in return because it helped you to reach the 4,000 WH as one of the requirements. I enjoyed meeting and connecting with the people even though we just met online. And then, the first time I did silent live stream was last February 28, 2021, where you could see just my plants because I was camera shy at first, char. And then, March 1, 2021, I went to my best friend's house to introduce myself on YT livestream, and I continue to do it on my own to reach the requirements. April 6, 2021, my YT channel was finally monetized. Thereafter, I reached 10,000 subscribers last February 28, 2022, and still into live streaming. January 14, 2023, I got 50,000 subscribers with the help of shorts video that I uploaded, like candy machine, claw machine, and vending machine, and special thanks to Hello Kitty, who got viral with 25 million views. And then the long wait was over, and I reached the 100k subscribers last May 28, 2023 for the silver button. On the night of May 28, I communicated to YT support team asking for assistance on how to claim the silver button. Indeed, they were very helpful and encouraging. The experience in claiming the award was uplifting as my excitement. June 4 when I received the confirmation code, and June 9 was when the UPS updated the delivery status. June 17, I received the silver button. I was in awe until I touched the familiar looking bags. I couldn't believe still that dreams can be reality for anybody. Once again, this is my journey on my YouTube channel. This is your ka-artista paskat palang, leos na agad, Garcia. So, let's get it on. Napa-English ng konti si ka-artista so the foreigner friends will understand what we are talking about. No, mga ka-artista, pasensya na kayo dyan kahit trying hard ang ating English. But thank you once again. This is it. Umpisahan na natin. Let's go! Ayan na siya. Today is Wednesday. Ngayon ko pa lang siya na-unboxing. Kahit nung Saturday ko pa siya na-receive, tinabi ko muna siya sa pagtulog-tulog ko. So, let's go na! Ayan na siya! Oh my goodnesses! Oh, naka-tape pa talaga siya. So, meron din dito sa baba. O, diba? Sealed na sealed. Thank you, YouTube. Next naman yan. Sana kayo na ang next mga ka-artista. Sino ang second runner-up sa ating mga kasuportahan dyan? Sa YouTube live streaming, Dalapagan Dikitan program. Aha. Ala, ayaw pa niya magpabukas. So, yan na siya. Next naman yan, huwag kang babagsak. Medyo maliit yung table natin. So, let's go! Oh my
Walang iiyak, ate girl.
Walang iiyak! Walang iiyak! So, yan, may pa-foam. Para pag gusto nyo maiyak, mga ka-artista. May calling card. Congratulations on your subscribers milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with a great care by Rick. So, yan. Mga ka-artista, grabe. So, ayan na siya. Walang iyak! Do you remember the first subscribers? Hello once again to my first vlog out there. The favorite plans of mine with 11 subscribers. Naalala ko kayong lahat. Tignan nyo yung mga una nag-comment dyan. Shout out sa inyo. Sana nandyan pa rin kayo nakasuporta. Pero, andyan pa rin naman talaga sila. Iba dyan, pinsan ko. Shout out, Allen. Naksunan niya, si Boy Talpak. Thank you sa inyo lahat and mga friends ko from model industry. And, sino ba? Classmates ko, high school, college, elementary. Naks naman yan. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100, your 1,000 subscribers? Chances are you do. And you know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. So yan, wag natin basahin dahil super excited na rin ako, no, mga ka-artista. Pero yan yung sinasabi, kino-congratulate, binabati tayo ni YouTube for having this. So let's go na. Thank you once again sa mga boss natin dyan. Sa mga Ma'am Shibel, Sisibel, Dikoy, supportive, generous friends, silent supporters. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Without you all, I couldn't make it. And of course, to all the foreigner friends out there who don't understand Tagalog, but still support us all the time, especially on my YouTube live streaming every Monday to Saturday, 2 p.m. Philippine time. Thank you for enjoying, having fun, and to all the supportive and generous friends out there who always support my premiere, my vlog. Thank you once again. So, this is it na siya. Ayak! Ayan na siya. May part talaga, o diba? Talagang sinadya ko may heart kasi super favorite ko siya. Kailangan meron siyang heart. Max naman yan. So, ayan. Recognize your team. Next daw, gold button na pero matagal pa tayo dito mga ka-artista, no? So, ayan na siya. Grabe. So, yung sabitan, display natin sa birthday natin. Pwede na tayo magsalamin dito. So, sobrang thankful. Grabe. Presented to RA Garcia for passing 100,000 subscribers. So, yan na siya mga ka-artista. Nakakaiyak. Walang iiyak. Daya nito mga to eh. So, thank you to all of you. Salamat ng marami. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Kamsahamnida. Seshini. Terima kasih. Shukran. Muchas gracias. Salamat ng marami. And thank you all so much. And whatever languages it is, from the bottom of my heart, thank you to all the supportive friends out there. Na until now, andyan pa rin. Friendship pa rin. Yun. So, sobrang thank you. Grabe. So, yun. Salamat ng marami sa inyong lahat dyan mga ka-artista. Para sa atin, this is for all of us. The success of KA-ARTISTA Network is the success of us. Thank you so much. Yun na lang ko masabi. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you mga ka-artista, supportive, generous friends out there, certified ka-artista. Thank you. So, try nga natin. Next naman yan. So, dyan natin siya lalagay. Bala ko siya dyan ilagay sa voice video. Yan. Tignan nga natin kung hindi malalaglag. So, yan. Try natin. Next naman! Bagay! Huwag ka malalaglag, letter K. Pagka nalaglag, kotong ka. So, thank you once again, everybody. Sa lahat na naging part ng ating YouTube journey. From the start until now, na hindi nawala at may mga nadadagdag pa nga. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you all. I love you all. And keep safe and healthy everybody, wherever you are, wherever you go. This is your ka-artistang paskat palang laos na agad na never magbabago. At mas pagbubutihin natin yung pagpapasaya sa inyong lahat. Kahit corny, kahit nakakairita, na ewan. So yun, thank you for the love and support as always. Mwah! Love you all. Enjoy the rest of the night and happy birthday to me. We achieved the number towards silver button in a pace where we enjoyed every step. We never tried to run too fast. We believe that the beauty to get your goal was to savor the experience of getting there no matter how hard it was. The reward was sweeter when you slow down and smell the roses along the way.